Hey guys, right, a little tip for you. I've got a Fiesta mk6 with the immobiliser lights. So ignition on, immobiliser lights flashing. So there's no crank or nothing. So I'll go down to the fuse box behind the glove box. I'll just show you the fuse. That fuse there is a little 3 amp. So I've just unbolted the fuse box. So I'll just have a look, see if there's been damaged or anything in there. So there's this one here. Now when you put a multimeter on it, it comes up that it's okay, but if you actually have a look, that's blown. So that's Sunday. I haven't got any 3 amp fuses. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to borrow the one for the radio, which is also a 3 amp, and just pop that in there. And then we're just going to see what that does. Yeah, just put the key in. Oh, we've got the pump working. And there it is. So that's a little trick for you. I was actually going to scrap this car. I bought it, and then I had this problem come up, and I was going to scrap it because I thought that's had it. But yeah, just a little tip for you there. Video, you know, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and there'll be a full video on this vehicle of getting it all running and getting it all MOT'd and ready for sale. So yeah, hope you like the video and subscribe to the channel.